We're going to do volume of prisms. This is what we did in our face-to-face time this week. So if you are comfortable with that, you can just do the worksheet. If you forgot or just need a refresher, go ahead and watch this. But if you remember how to do it, area of the base times the height, then just jump in to do your worksheet, and there you go. So remember, to find the volume, first of all, the volume is how much space the inside takes up, or how much it takes to fill the inside of a three-dimensional object. To find the volume, it's not as hard as it looks. You're going to find the area of the base times the height. Now remember, we talked about the fact that the base may not be the bottom. It could be turned sideways. When you have a rectangular prism, which is like a square or a rectangle, it doesn't matter what you use as your base. Triangles and circles will matter. We'll do those next. But so I'm going to say that I'm going to just use purple because it's here. I'm going to use this bottom as my base. Okay, that's going to be my base, which means from here to here is my height. Oh gosh, I can't. That's so crooked. So this bottom is my base, which means I need to find the area of the rectangle, which is length times width. Now I know that this side is 4. If that side is 4, then this corresponding side also has to be 4. So let's find the area of the base. And the area of the base is length times width. So in this case, that's 40. So there's the area of the base times the height, which we know to be 5. So 40 times 5 is 200. So if it's 200 feet, 200 inches, 200 whatever it is, so just 200. Find the area of the base times the height. Let's do one that's a triangle next. So let's talk about a cylinder. We're told to find the volume of this, so we need to find the area of the base, multiply it by the height. Now in this case, this shape is turned on the side. So the height is 7, because remember, height is sometimes base to base, or basic shape to basic shape. And then we need to find the area of that circle. To find the area of the circle, area is pi r squared. Well, we know the radius to be 12 because we're told that. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 12 squared. So let me drop my calculator first. Now let me type it in. 3.14 times 12 squared. That gives me 452.16 units, whatever that unit is. That's my base. Now to turn that into the volume, I take that and I multiply it by 7. And I end up with 3,165.12. So area of the base times the height. All right, let's say that I tell you this is the base of a shape with a height of 125. You're going to need to, and I want you to find the volume. Well, you need to find the area of the base, multiply that by the height. Base, or area of a triangle, is base times height divided by 2. So in this case, it's 12 times 19 divided by 2. 12 times 19 divided by 2 gives me 144. That's my base times the height. We're told is 125, and this is going to be huge. And that gives me 14,250. And it's as simple as that. So you find the area of your base, or your basic shape. Remember your area definition, or equations for squares and rectangles, triangles and circles. And then take that and multiply it by the height of the object, and you're done. So your homework is the worksheet that you got on our face-to-face day.